Hi everybody, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all having a blessed day. My channel is for adults only, 18 years of age and above. If you are under that, please turn off this video. Well everybody, I'm making this video not for myself. I am very busy in the house these days, but I am making this video for our bestie friend Donna Jackson. And I just talked with her on the phone. And she asked me to make this video for you because she did not have her phone internet on because it got turned off. Actually, electricity got turned off. And so sad. So she asked me to tell you that she was not ignoring anyone, whether you had tried to wait for her on YouTube or you were waiting for a phone text from her or a phone call from her. She was just unable to do anything for many, many days. So she's asking your forgiveness. I told her that we don't need to I don't want to say we don't need to forgive her because we love her, and all that matters is that she's okay. Now, she had her surgery a week ago today. They were able to repair many of the nerves connecting her right side. For many, many months now, she has not had feeling on her right side. She's been numb. She's fallen down several times. And so they were able to reattach most of the nerves back, giving her feeling again. One of the nerves they could not attach because they said it might have paralyzed her. So they did not do that one. So that area of her body that comes from that nerve is still numb and probably will be numb. But she's in a lot of pain, and you know Donna, she's using her essential oils. And she's trying to not, overstress herself. And she needs to walk with a walker now. And she needs to be really, really careful not to fall because it could permanently paralyze her. So we need to pray for her. Please, please, please pray for her and give her strength. She has some of her cousins and other friends coming and checking on her and taking the dogs out for a walk and, helping her vacuum and do a lot of things because she's not supposed to be doing anything. And we just want her to heal and get better and pray that God is going to just put his merciful, strong, abundant hands on her and just heal her. And it just has to happen. Please, amen, God, please. So I just wanted to come on because I just talked to her and I told her I would make this video. Please, if you are in contact with her, you can text her by phone, give her a call, cheer up her spirits. She's kind of down. And she said she hopes to get the videos next week. I told her, girl, you just better rest. Your YouTube channel can wait, and all of us can wait for her to come back. We don't need her to rush back and have to hurt herself in any form to try to make videos for us. We don't need that. And I just pray that everyone will comment below this video because she will watch this. And just wish her best wishes and get well. And there's no rush for her to come back and push herself to do videos. I pray that just angels are going to be surrounding you, Donna, and God's mercy, and you will heal and get better and come back to us soon. And if anybody wants to send a get well card to her, you can PM me on, or leave a comment below, and PM me on Instagram at Keepsakes by Les. Keepsakes by LES. And you could send the get well card to me, and then I can forward it to Donna. I think she would really love to get a lot of cards. So I hope you can do that for us. So God bless, Donna. We love you. We miss you. And just get better. And come back and be strong and laugh with us, because I love your laugh. God bless everybody. Thanks for watching. And I will be back when I can next week to do my own videos. But like I said, we just got a lot of house stuff going on right now. So bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.